Oh, Davros, I am far more than just another Time Lord.
Dawk li jiftakru s-serja televiżiva Dr. Who żgur li jirrikonoxxu dan il-wiċċ, Sylvester McCoy, is-seba' attur li interpreta l-parti prinċipali ta' Dr. Who f'din is-serje bejn l-1987 u l-1989 u fis-sena 1996. Illum McCoy għandu 71 sena u għadu attiv fix-xena tal-films, fis-serja televiżivi u fit-teatru u popolari wkoll mal-ġenerazzjoni iktar żagħżugħa bl-interpretazzjoni ta' Wizard Radagast the Brown f'The Hobbit fl-2011. Iltqajna ma' McCoy għall-intervista li matula spikka l-karattru ċajtir tiegħu.
Which do you consider to be the most important part of your career?
Being a father to my sons, but that's not a career really. Although they forced me to make a career because I had to keep them. That's the most important thing in my life.
Spjegana kif il-karriera tiegħu maqsuma f'sezzjonijiet u għalhekk hu diffiċli għażel biss parti li bidlitlu l-karriera. Karriera ta' attur li jiddiskrivija bħala diffiċli ħafna.
Oh God, a life of an actor, no, it's not easy. My goodness, it's not. It's kind of very hard work.
Madankollu ma jiċħaġ li l-popolarità hija sabiħa.
How does it feel? It feels nice. If that's so, it's great. No, it's a privilege to be liked, and people like what you do. It's great. Many young people weren't even born when I was doing Doctor Who, but now they've gone back and rediscovered my Doctor, and it's such a privilege and a joy.
Matul l-intervista rrid jgħaddi wkoll il-messaġġ għall-fans tiegħu.
Oh, message to my fans. Keep being fans. That's from the bird in The Hobbit, sending a message as well of good luck. Oh, just pooed in my head. Oh, bugger. Poo.
Sylvester McCoy, flimkien ma' Robert Picardo, Joseph Gatt u Derek Benedict jinsabu f'pajjiżna għal Malta Comics and Pop Culture Expo li se ssir bejn il-31 ta' Ottubru u 2 ta' Novembru fiċ-ċentru tal-Mediterran għal konferenzi fil-Belt.